Hello everyone, today is May 25th, it is a Friday, 8:30 a.m. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Wars. My name is Jacob Cards with cryptoversegold.org, free newsletter. Be sure to subscribe to the free newsletter as I do give these updates. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm trying to build some YouTube subscribers and things. Need support. Anyways, getting into the markets and what's going on in the investing, the investing world and things. Crypto is kind of seeing a little bump up today after declining so much, which is expected. It's going to be back and forth, kind of like shark teeth, whether I think in the general down direction, and it's proven to be that way. You could try and trade this bear market trend, but it's going to be extremely difficult. And I think, if you're not in a long position, you're in a losing position because it's just, shorting in this space is extremely difficult. It's not that you can't do it, but, it's one of those things where you need to have good investing practices and things. So I don't recommend it. That's what I'm getting at. Anyways, when looking at the overall ecosystem, which I've been kind of updating daily, the indexes, the futures are down this morning, and they kind of been, if you look at the whole general, economy and where people have been throwing their money, whether it's in indexes or stocks or cryptocurrency, 2018 has been a down year for, the economy. I think it's not necessarily a recession. I don't think we're in that point yet, obviously, but we're seeing the early stages of a possible recession. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. I think cryptocurrency, was just part of the bubble, the overall bubble, not really its own bubble. So, and that's where it goes. Proper investing strategy and stuff. You have people in cryptocurrency that are screaming hodling and all this crap that they don't know anything what they're doing. It's no, there's things like stop loss. That's the opposite of hodling. Is when it tends to go down a little bit, you sell it because it's going to keep going down. Especially after going up thousands and thousands of percents. I mean, come on, it's not gonna. You can't hold up these prices forever. It's going to see corrections before it goes up more. It has to go down before it can go up, right? It's like a spring. It has to go down before it springs, before it goes up. So, moving into, I guess, precious metals and things. We saw gold actually had a really good day yesterday after getting pushed down below 1,300. Then it went back up above 1,300. It'll be interesting if it can break 1,400. So if it does break 1,400, I think the gold miners could do extremely well. I think people are just kind of waiting for it to pass that resistance point and kind of, break through that barrier, that roof. So, well, if you found this information useful, be sure to subscribe to my free newsletter at cryptoversegold.org. Also, feel free to send a tip once in a while if you think this information is useful. Put a lot of time and trying to help people manage their wealth, kind of thing. And I don't give financial advice. None of this is financial advice, but I'm trying to at least do it more online again and get back into it. So, because I try doing it more in the real world, and people are hard heads out there, so I like just sitting in my hole and talking to my computer. Okay then, goodbye, peace.